100. After 4 months, how much you are going to pay? Rupees 104. And the difference between the above two is called as rupees 4, is called as true discount. Clear now? Nidhi, समझा क्या? ओके, सो जो आज पेमेंट करने वाले हैं वो क्या हो गया? प्रेजेंट. देखो नाम ही है उसका, प्रेजेंट. Sum due is always about future. Sum due is about future. And true discount is, what is true discount? Actually true discount is nothing else but it is interest. Interest बोला होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता था. But somebody called it as true discount and it has been called as true discount. But true discount means what? Interest. Interest for the credit period. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? समझ में आया क्या? Okay, चलो अब. So in other words, देखो यार बोल रहा है, in other words, 104 is due. 104 is due after 4 months. कभी? After 4 months at 12% per annum are equivalent to rupees 100. कभी? Today. Today. आज. Today, and therefore it is called as present. So what is present worth here? Present worth is 100. जो after होता है, due after some period, that is called as sum due. Hence 100 is known as present value. Even it can be called as present worth. Present worth, present value is one and the same. Of rupees 104 due after 4 months. Hence 12% per annum, rupees 104 is known as sum due. That is called as SD, sum due. Also another name is that called as face value. Sum due is also called as face value. Another name for sum due is face value. Future value, face value. And rupees 4 is known as true discount on TD, on the sum due. Is all the three terms clear to you? What is present worth? What is sum due? And what is true discount? Present worth means value today is called as present worth. आज की value, present. Sum due, due after credit period, also known as face value. Also known as face value. And true discount is actually interest. True discount is not a discount. It is always interest. करंट प्रीवियस स्क्रीन नहीं आएगा वो टर्म आएगा. इधर लिखा है नहीं, देख इधर है वो. अभी वो टेम्पररी स्क्रीन था करण, दैट वाज ऑन टेम्पररी स्क्रीन. इट्स नॉट देयर. से इफ यू वांट आई विल गो बैक एंड आई विल शो यू. दैट वाज ऑन द टेम्पररी स्क्रीन. Here it is given. Say who was asking that? Karan, you can take this. Here it is given. देख बोला इधर रुपीज 100 इज नोन एज प्रेजेंट वर्थ और 100 टुडे. देख इधर बोला है अगर ड्यू आफ्टर सो ए सम ड्यू और टुडे सो ए प्रेजेंट वर्थ. ओके चलो next. True discount, देखो here it has been said the true discount is what? True discount is actually interest. The true discount is the interest on the payment worth at the given rate of interest for given period. So true discount is a kind of interest. Okay, is there a problem? Screen sharing has stopped? I hope so, because at my part it is not showing. Hello dear student. Yeah, now it has become okay. Hello, can you hear me? First, can you hear me? Yes. Okay, on the screen can you see that line? The true discount is, can you see that line? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, a true discount is what? Interest on present worth. Interest on present worth at a given rate for given period. Given rate for given period. Okay. Next. Now, so what happens? We get a formula. There is no need to write down right now the formulas. Okay. Present worth plus true discount is sum due. In short, it is said as PW is equal to TD plus TD is equal to SD. Present worth plus true discount gives you what? Sum due. Don't write anything. We'll have a chart. Write down that. True discount can be calculated as present worth into N into R. What is N? N is the period. R is rate of interest upon 100. Yes. Simple interest. Yes. But it is not on principal. It is on present worth. P and R upon 100. The same formula. But instead of saying in that simple interest, we call it as principal value or principal amount. Here it is called as present worth. Here, what is true discount, beta? True discount क्या है? It is the interest, ना? Here, true discount is what? Another name of true discount is interest. So interest का formula is simple interest, yes. But we don't say P and R. We say PW. Okay? Where PW is the principal or the present worth. N is the period and of the bill and R is the rate of interest per annum. Okay. Now, here dear student, you will come across a concept called as bill. Question पढ़ेंगे उसमें bill word आ गया तो समझ जाने का कि इधर present worth, sum due, then true discount ये सब आ रहा है. Problem पढ़ा और उसमें trade discount आ गया. Trade discount. Be careful now. Trade discount is different and true discount is different. Trade discount word आ गया या और cash discount word आ गया या फिर NSP आ गया या फिर इनवॉइस प्राइस आ गया या फिर तुम्हारा LCM NP लिस्ट प्राइस आ गया तो क्या समझ जाने का ये हम लोग ने जो प्रीवियस सम किया ना कमीशन आ गया तो पहले वाले सम दिस चैप्टर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स वन इज कमीशन सेकंड इज ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कैश डिस्काउंट वो सब एंड थर्ड नाउ वी आर कमिंग अप टू present worth, sum due, and then true discount plus few more you will have. Bank discount, banker's gain, okay, cash value, ये सब आएगा भी. So how do I know after reading the sum whether it is commission, whether it's trade discount? Now this what we are doing present worth, sum due, etc. उस sum में कौन सा word आएगा? Bill word आएगा. Bill. बिल आ गया तो समझ जाने का बिल आ गया का इस सम में ट्रू डिस्काउंट देन प्रेजेंट वर्थ सम ड्यू ये कंसेप्ट है. समझा नहीं समझा दोस्तों? let me go back and show it to you. One second. Now look at this sum. Look at this sum. After when I read this sum, I get a word called as commission. क्या मिला word? Commission मिला. When there is a word commission, I will not have that true discount, sorry, trade discount. I will not have cash discount, invoice price, market price. I will not have that. This is commission sum. ये कौन सा sum है? Commission वाला sum. Okay. Look at this sum. क्या बोला था? Trade discount, cash discount. कुछ तो बोला ना ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कैश डिस्काउंट यस देन आई विल रिक्वायर दिस मार्केट प्राइस और मार्क प्राइस माइनस ट्रेड डिस्काउंट इनवॉइस प्राइस कैश डिस्काउंट नेट सेलिंग प्राइस लेस कॉस्ट प्रॉफिट ये लगेगा मैं. हाँ दैट्स द रीजन ट्रेड डिस्काउंट में डोंट राइट टीडी. We don't write TD is TD. In 12th standard, TD means true discount. And trade discount, at least you write TRD discount. TD नहीं लिखो, क्या लिखेंगे? TRD, trade discount. Hello? TD is reserved for true discount. Okay. Here, TD is reserved for true discount. So ट्रेड डिस्काउंट लिखना है तो क्या लिखेगा तू? टीडी नहीं लिखेगा, एटलीस्ट टीआरडी लिखेगा. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट मे बी टी.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का
मे बी
साथ.
टी आर स्मॉल एंड डी कैपिटल, ये भी चलेगा. या फिर राइटफुल ट्रेड डिस्काउंट DISC. टेंशन ही नहीं. When you just say TD, it is assumed as TD means true discount. Even when I say TD I mean true discount. Okay. Chal. Now, what is a drawer? Whenever there is a bill, there's a concept called as drawer. What is drawer? A person who draws the bill is called as drawer. Who will be the drawer? The seller of the goods is a drawer. Here I've said seller. So who is the drawer? Seller. Then there is drawee. The purchaser, the buyer is a drawee. A person to whom the bill is, on whom the bill is drawn is called as drawee, the buyer. Seller is called as drawer. Buyer is called as drawee. Seller is, dear student, in bookkeeping you have a chapter called as bills of exchange. I don't think they have started with bills of exchange. Bookkeeping में चालू है क्या bills of exchange? In bookkeeping you have a chapter called as bills of exchange. Okay, bills of exchange. There you will have all the terms. Drawer, drawing. Anyway, that is in maths. So let me discuss in maths. So what is drawer? Drawer. Who is the drawer? Seller is called as a drawer, and buyer is called as drawee. Buyer is called as drawee. Drawer, drawee. Then date of bill. Dear student, like when somebody writes a check. Check देखा आपने कोई check? Check. When you draw a check, when you write a check में date लिखते हैं नहीं लिखते? Normally on the top right corner there is a date. Okay. Similarly, when you draw a bill, you have to write a date, and that is called as date of bill. The date on which the bill is drawn is called as date of bill. जिस दिन आप बिल बनाएंगे वो है date of bill. Then period of the bill. You'll have some period, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, ऐसा रहेगा. Period of the bill is the time after completion of which the drawer receives the payment. Who will make the payment? Who will make the payment? Drawee will make the payment to drawer. तो पेमेंट बायर करेगा ना, सेलर कैसा करेगा? कॉमन सेंस है. If you buy something, you are the buyer. You are making the payment to the seller, shopkeeper. हेलो, आप कुछ खरीदते हैं तो शॉपकीपर आपको पैसा देगा क्या? कॉमन सेंस है ना. कौन पैसा देगा? बायर पैसा देगा. किसको देगा? सेलर को देगा. Here seller is called as what? Drawer. And what is buyer called as? Drawee. But when he'll give the money? दोस्तों, क्या ड्रॉवर बिल आएगा? बिल, when bill is there, is the payment made immediately? There are two types of payment, right? Payment, cash and credit. If you are paying by cash, there is no concept called as bill. There is no bill. If you are making cash payment, there is no bill. बिल आएगा नहीं. बिल कब आएगा? बिल कब आएगा? Bill will come only if you are buying on credit. There is a concept of bill. So when the bill word is there, automatically bill means what? The buyer is buying on credit. कभी कैश में परचेस करेंगे तो बिल आएगा क्या? बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज, द बिल विच यू आर ड्रॉइंग, दैट विल नॉट कम. क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? बिल कब आएगा? बिल वाला कंसेप्ट कब आएगा? ओनली एंड ओनली देयर इज क्रेडिट सेल. कैश सेल हुआ तो बिल आएगा क्या? आंसर इज नो. बिल आएगा ही नहीं. क्लियर? क्लियर यहां तक? Credit sale only. Yes, when you are selling on credit, then now so period of the bill हो गया. Then nominal due date. Before I discuss nominal due date, let's say date of the bill. Let us take today's date. What is today's date? 29th June. 29 June 2021. Okay, that is the bill date. What is bill date? I assume bill date is today's date, 29 June 2021. That is bill date. And period of the bill, let us say 3 months. So what will be the date after 3 months? Assume karo, period of the bill is 3 months. Credit period is 3 months. So after 3 months, what will be the date? After 3 months, क्या डेट आएगा? 3 महीने के बाद. 29 है तो 29 का 29 ही रहेगा. जून है, जुलाई 1 month, अगस्त 2nd month, सितंबर. करेक्ट? 29 सितंबर 2021. Clear? 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 Yes, student, clear? So ये जो डेट है, ये जो डेट आता है, डेट आफ्टर द क्रेडिट पीरियड है. Suppose instead of 3 months, if it is 4 months, then what? Let's assume credit period is 4 months. Bill date is the same. If 3 months, this is the date. If 4 months, 29th October. This date after credit period, this is called as nominal due date. What they are called as? Nominal due date. NDD. Nominal due date. See here, it is saying that nominal due date, NDD, the date on which the period of bill expires is called as nominal due date. The buyer has to make payment to the seller on this date. दे देंगे वो लोग. Now lecture is almost over. We'll stop. We will stop now. Hello. We'll stop now. 7 o'clock we'll stop. Bye. We'll discuss this in the next lecture. Bye. Bye. See you in the next lecture. Yes, bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. Bye. I'm there still.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
Afterwards, you take it in the next lecture, Harsh. Next lecture, next lecture. Next lecture, we'll discuss everything. Harsh. Next lecture. Bye.